Want ultra-smooth performance for gaming and creative work? Best graphics card. Look for high CUDA RT cores, ample VRAM, efficient cooling, and power headroom to push frame rates, accelerate rendering, and future-proof your rig for demanding titles and GPU-accelerated apps today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. MSI GeForce RTX 3060. The MSI GeForce RTX 3060 is a strong contender in the mid-range graphics card market, offering impressive performance for gamers and creators who want solid power without going into premium-tier pricing. Equipped with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, it delivers smooth gameplay across a wide range of modern titles, supporting both high-resolution gaming and creative workloads such as video editing or 3D rendering. The GPU clock speed of 1710 MHz combined with an effective memory clock speed of 1807 MHz ensures stable and responsive performance. One of its key strengths is support for maximum display resolutions up to 7680 by 4320, making it a great option for those looking to game or work in 4K and beyond. The card includes 3 DisplayPort 1.4a connections and 1 HDMI 2.1 port, giving users plenty of flexibility for multiple monitors or advanced display setups like high-refresh gaming monitors. While it may not rival the newest generations in raw horsepower, the RTX 3060 still supports NVIDIA's advanced features such as ray tracing and DLSS, which allow for immersive visuals and performance gains in supported games. It also benefits from the reliability and build quality associated with MSI products, providing a dependable solution that balances affordability and performance. Whether used for competitive esports titles or AAA blockbusters. Number 2. ASUS TUF Gaming GPU RTX. The ASUS TUF Gaming GPU RTX is designed with durability and high performance in mind, making it an excellent choice for serious gamers who value reliability as much as raw power. Built on NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture with support for DLSS 4, this graphics card offers cutting-edge performance for modern gaming and creative applications. The 3.125 slot design incorporates a massive fin array cooled by 3 Axial Tech fans, ensuring efficient heat dissipation even under heavy workloads. ASUS has gone the extra mile with military-grade components that provide stability and extended longevity, making this card ideal for gamers who plan on using it for years to come. Protective PCB coating prevents damage from dust, moisture, or debris, further enhancing its lifespan and reliability. A phase-change GPU thermal pad replaces traditional paste, ensuring consistent thermal transfer and extending long-term performance stability. Beyond its hardware, the card comes with ASUS GPU guard and bracket reinforcements, securing the GPU against potential cracks and improving mounting stability. Its Auto Extreme precision automated manufacturing ensures flawless construction with fewer chances of defects. In terms of customization, ASUS includes its GPU Tweet 3 software, allowing users to fine-tune performance. Number 3. GIGABYTE Radeon RX. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9060 XT stands as an impressive offering for fans of AMD graphics, providing a balance of power, cooling innovation, and visual appeal. Built with GIGABYTE's trusted WindForce cooling system, the card ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping performance steady during extended gaming sessions or demanding creative workflows. The inclusion of the Hawk fan design further optimizes airflow, reducing noise while maintaining strong cooling efficiency. One notable highlight is the use of server-grade thermal conductive gel, a premium feature that guarantees long-lasting thermal performance and protects the GPU against overheating under intense loads. The Radeon RX 9060 XT itself delivers solid frame rates across modern titles, with AMD's architecture enabling smooth gameplay, fast rendering, and excellent support for high-resolution displays. Gamers will appreciate its support for advanced features like ray tracing, which provides more realistic lighting and shadows in compatible games. Additionally, RGB lighting adds a customizable aesthetic touch, allowing users to match their PC build's theme and enjoy a visually dynamic gaming setup. While NVIDIA often dominates the high-end GPU conversation, this Radeon RX model demonstrates AMD's competitive edge in performance, efficiency, and affordability. The card is particularly attractive to gamers who prefer AMD ecosystems. Number 4. GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti represents the next generation of gaming performance, powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and supported by DLSS 4 technology. This graphics card pushes boundaries with its advanced 16 GB of GDDR7 memory and 256-bit memory interface, delivering blazing fast data throughput ideal for high-resolution gaming, 3D rendering, and AI-driven workloads. With PCI 5.0 support, it offers unmatched bandwidth and system responsiveness, ensuring it's future-proof for years to come. GIGABYTE's WindForce cooling system keeps the powerful hardware running cool and quiet, using innovative airflow design and multiple heat dissipation methods to maintain stability under maximum load. This makes the card not only a powerhouse in raw performance, but also dependable for marathon gaming sessions or productivity tasks that push the GPU to its limits. The RTX 5070 Ti provides excellent ray tracing capabilities, creating lifelike visuals with accurate lighting, reflections, and shadows. Combined with DLSS 4, gamers can enjoy smoother frame rates even at demanding resolutions like 4K or ultra-wide formats. Beyond gaming, the card is a strong fit for creators who need reliable GPU acceleration for video editing, 3D modeling, or AI-enhanced creative workflows. Number 5. PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX. The PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX brings together NVIDIA's most advanced technologies into a single powerhouse graphics card, designed for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Built with 5th-generation Tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and 4th-generation ray tracing cores, this GPU delivers breathtaking visual fidelity and performance that excels in demanding scenarios. NVIDIA's DLSS technology further enhances performance by leveraging AI-powered rendering to increase frame rates without sacrificing image quality, making it especially effective in graphically intensive games. Reflex technology is another standout, reducing latency and optimizing the graphics pipeline for ultimate responsiveness, an essential feature for competitive gamers seeking faster reaction times and greater precision. This GPU is not just for gamers. It also accelerates workflows for creators, developers, and productivity users. Integrated AI processors and NVIDIA Studio drivers provide rock-solid reliability for creative applications, ensuring smoother editing, rendering, and design processes. The card also supports RTX accelerations in top creative apps, empowering users with AI-assisted workflows that save time and boost efficiency. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.